English speaking course.
Hello. Where do you work?
I work in hospital.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school in the countryside.
What is your phone number?
It's 732.
Oh, look at this bracelet, Carlos. It's lovely.
It's okay.
Excuse me, please. How much is this?
Oh, that's on sale. It's only $75.
Sally, how do you like these shoes?
Well, they're all right, I guess.
Excuse me. How much are these?
They're $80.
Oh, that's not bad. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thanks, and you?
I'm very well, thanks.
What time do you wake up?
Every morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock. And you?
At 5 o'clock.
What do you do after you get up?
After I get up, I go to the bathroom, release myself, and after that, I have a bath.
Do you have breakfast already?
Yes, already, and you?
No, not yet.
What time do you have breakfast every morning?
Every morning I have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
What do you usually have for your breakfast?
I usually have old rice with soy sauce.
Where you usually have breakfast?
I usually have breakfast at home.
Whom do you usually have breakfast with?
I usually have breakfast alone. Sometime I have breakfast with my friends.
How much money do you spend on your breakfast in a day?
I spend $10 a day.
What kind of food you like?
I like Chinese noodles. How do you do?
How do you do?
What are you doing?
I'm cooking lunch.
Do you have lunch already?
No, not yet. And you?
Yes, already.
What time do you usually have lunch every day?
I usually have lunch at 11 o'clock.
What do you have for lunch today?
We have winter melon soup with pork.
Do you like roast pig ribs?
Yes, I do.
Do you like steamed fish paste?